Use of this pin remover pin installer after receiving the goods is this way. We first need to assemble it. We first put the back of this. Remove it first. After dismantling the small spring into the large spring. Then screw the cap to it. Tighten it. Then loosen this end. After loosening this end, then put the needle. We'll put it in like this. Screw it on. Tighten it. Let's try it. See if you're done. It's okay. Then we install the second. These two are installed in the same way. Behind also dismantled. Put the small spring into the big spring. The small spring is put into the big spring. Next, take the front apart. This is a pin. The pin. Then tighten it. Let's test it and see if it's on. No, then we'll see how it works. This is our key. Let's show you how to take it apart. To remove it, we use this thin. Aim it at this hole. This pin will fall off. If it's loose, it'll fall off in one stroke. If it's tight, it'll fall off in 2 or 3 strokes. The steel also falls off. The key. Let's take a look at the key. I'll show you how to install it. Let's put this. Align it. Let's take this thick one. This is the pin we just removed and put it here. Align it with this hole and tap it. There you go. We can see that. You can use the pliers here. Push it in. You can also use this method. I'll show you. Put it here. Aim at the hole. Okay, we're going to put it on. We're going to use this side. Push it in. It's coming in. So it's the same with this one. Let's see. Put it in here. Let's say we load it from this end. We can see that. You can use pliers or you can use the edge of the pin to push it in. That's it.